Hello and welcome to this video where I show you the difference between the planner and the premium planner. So I have in front of me a plan that we have, and this is the standard planner option. You'll see that I can move tasks, I can add them to my day, I can delete them. I can go into the tasks and open the details, which comes out in a pane, and I can create comments to actually collaborate with my team members. So that's our planner. Now I go into this one and you can see that I have different tasks in here. I can open my details and they come up nicely on the right hand side in a pane there. And you can see in here I've got my days and I can put my percentage in here. The other thing that we notice with this one is that it has functionality to make something a subtask. Now, what that means is that then it will become a task within that section there, and I make that a subtask. So it's the same as the previous. So it's not the same as the other planner, which didn't give you this functionality. And I am going to just really make that a subtask. And you find that you are making a project plan like this. As I said, in the details plan, you can see everything that's happening. You can actually also deal with effort, which is how much work it involves, depending on other people. And we can make something dependent on something else. So I've actually created a dependency saying that that must be completed before that one. Now with this, you get the project options of how do you want that dependency to sit. So do you have to finish that before you start that, or do you start it both at the same time? Do you do a start to finish? Finish to start is the immediate one, but I can actually have a lag and a lead, the same as you can do in projects. So just a step up in some of this functionality that we could do with here. I'm going to, in this one, I can add a checklist like I did before, and I'm going to assign it to Suzanne and Rebecca. So you can see what it has done is it's saying it's the task. We have actually got 2 hours completed because I've put in some percentage, and with 2 people it is actually working out the effort of that task as well. Our task conversation is just done like this, and we can send it, and you can see that that will just go and be added to, so you can, everybody can see how that is working. So my task conversation comes up in its own window, if you like, within there. So hopefully you can start to see, when you look at the board, it's the same. But when I look at the timeline, this is where it's starting to show me dependencies. It's showing me the actual tasks. And this is the functionality in the timeline that is really being utilized by people that we couldn't get in the planner. And of course, when we've got the people, we can see their different charts. And then we will have a look at how we can use goals in the next one. See you soon.